Can an LLC get a loan? Yes, an LLC can get a business loan as long as it meets the lender's requirements. Banks and other lenders will usually look at your LLC's financial records, credit history, revenue, and business plan before approving a loan. They may also require your LLC to be in good standing with the state and have an employer identification number, EIN. For newer LLCs without established credit, lenders may require the owners to provide a personal guarantee. This means you would be personally responsible if the LLC cannot repay the loan. As your business builds credit, it becomes easier to qualify for loans without relying on personal guarantees. LLC loans can be used for working capital, equipment, inventory, or expansion. Having a dedicated business bank account and keeping clean financial records will make the loan application process smoother. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and keep it compliant so you're ready to apply for loans when you need funding. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.